So here's a question I get asked quite a lot. If we recommend or if we buy one of Huawei's new range, like the P40 range, that doesn't include Google mobile services, how do I get all of my apps? Okay, now normally my answer would have been you can go and get some other app stores. You can get the Amazon App Store, you can get Aptoid, APK Pure, whatever, but that requires a little bit of work. So here's a new solution for you. Right, all you have to do is go into the app gallery, and what you're going to do is type in Petal search, and you'll find this. Okay, once you've downloaded and opened it, you'll see that Petal search looks like this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into the app gallery, and from app gallery I'm going to search for Netflix, which you will see is not currently available in app gallery. So you might think to yourself, oh well, I can't get that out there because it ain't going to work. Wrong. Open up Petal search and type in Netflix, and what it's going to do is find the mirror to be able for you to download that APK file. Once you download the APK file, install it, jobs are good. Done. Chris, you're a legend. Why do you help us so much? Why do you care about us so much? Oh, shut up, you guys. Calm yourselves down. I do care, though. I care a lot. Too much.